Welcome, class, to another fun-filled algebra lesson. We have an important one today, too. It's really a foundation of the whole chapter we're about to learn. So we got to pay close attention. So I brought in a guest speaker, my dear friend Slope Dude. He's going to help teach us all the different types of slopes. So if you like to ski or snowboard, well, this is going to be your favorite lesson of the year so far. All right, so let's pay close attention here to Slope Dude as he explains all the different types of slope to us.
Meet Slope Dude. He loves to ski. We are going to follow him and he'll teach us some important aspects of slope. This is the course he's skiing today. What he says will teach us about slope. Always remember that Slope Dude always skis toward the right or eastward.
That's a very important point. All right, so just as we read a book, you read a page left to right, we're also reading our graphs left to right. That's why Slope Dude always skis to the right or eastward, as they pointed out there in this video. All right, so if we're just going to skip to the end here, okay, we're going to go straight to the punchline, and this is what Slope Dude is skiing today. This is his route, and this is what helps us understand all the different types of slopes. So as you can see here, all right, he has the upward slope as we're going up the hill. Puff, puff, positive. That's the hard work. That's how we remember that one. All right, as we're going down the hill, now he gets to look forward to the downhill. Nice, negative. Nice, negative. All right, and then zero, fun. That's the long, flat part. All right, so the long, flat part right here. Yeah, this is zero, fun. All right, and then he gets all the way to the edge of a cliff. All right, and he doesn't notice it. It's straight down. All right, so he says the worst curse word in math and algebra, undefined. All right, so that's how we remember the vertical slope to be undefined. All right, here we go. It's practice time. Practice makes perfect. So we're looking at all these different types of slopes. So we got to remember Slope Dude, right? We got to remember we're going eastward or to the right. So we're always looking at these from left to right. All right, so for the first one here, let's think about what type of slope that represents, okay, as we're going from left to right. Okay, that looks like the downhill. All right, let's see what Slope Dude says here, version 2.0.
Now we're going down the hill. Nice, negative. Nice, negative.
If you said nice negative for number one, you are correct. All right, and now we're looking at number 2 here. Okay, so the first one we had a nice negative slope. The second one, what do you think that is? Okay, we're looking at this line, goes horizontally here, straight across. All right, think about it for a second, and Slope Dude version 2.0 hitting you with the answer.
This is the long, flat part. Slope Dude says this is zero fun. This is zero fun. But it's snowing, so that's cool.
So if you said 0 for this slope, you would also be correct. All right, the long flat part, zero fun, as we say. All right, and look at the next one here now as we go from left to right. That looks like some hard work going uphill. Think about what type of slope Slope Dude would call that one. All right, answer coming at you.
Here we have it, Slope Dude version 2.0. G-Dog Enterprises coming at you here from Shawnee Mountain. Right now we're going up the hill. It's really hard work going up the chairlift. So it's puff, puff, positive. Just remember, it's puff, puff, positive all the way up the mountain.
There you have it. That's your positive slope going uphill. All right, and that brings us to the fourth one here. Take a look at number 4. All right, that one looks, opposite to the second one here, right? It's perpendicular to that one. Now we've got a straight vertical line, okay, going up and down. So think about what Slope Dude would say in that scenario. And here's the last answer.
Then Slope Dude didn't see well ahead. A cliff. And this is as straight down as it gets. So he said the worst curse word in all of math and algebra. Undefined. It's nice knowing all of you.
All right, so yeah, so Slope Dude is looking straight down. He says the worst curse word in math and algebra. So we're looking at an undefined vertical slope there. All right, so that's all 4 different types that he saw on his ski route. All right, I'll leave 5 and 6 for you to try on your own. If you got positive for number 5 and negative for number 6, well done. Slope Dude would be proud. All right, and that's the entire lesson, but it seems simple, but you know, it's important, and hopefully the route that Slope Dude skied today will help you remember for our next lesson, because like I said, that is the foundation of this chapter. All right, so here's a quick sneak preview when we have to graph lines. Okay, this is our almighty equation right here, y equals mx plus b in slope-intercept form. All right, so you know, the key is going to be identifying that slope, okay, which is going to be this m piece. We'll look at that more in the next lesson, but now that you know, positive, negative, 0, and undefined slopes, it'll make it much easier to graph a line such as this, okay, y equals 2x minus 4. So that's something to think about as we head into that lesson tomorrow, okay? But for now, you made it through Slope Dude, and what an adventure we had today. All right, so you did a nice negative job today. You're ready to tackle any slope just like this, skiing ostrich over here. All right, so great job today, everybody. Thanks, Slope Dude, for making a special guest appearance. And until next time.
Dub South, Wildcat. Yeah. Okay. Murphy.